Welcome to Drinks Ever. Today we will show you best automatic coffee maker with timer. Number 1 Cuisinart DCC 3200P1 Perfect Temp 14 Cup Programmable Coffee Maker. Capacity, 236.6 milliliters. Brand, Cuisinart. Special feature, programmable. Number 2 Ninja CE 251 Programmable Brewer, with 12 cup glass carafe. Capacity, 60 fluid ounces. Brand, Ninja. Special feature, programmable. Number 3. 12 cups programmable Mr. Coffee Maker. Capacity, 12 ounces. Brand, Mr. Coffee. Special feature, programmable. Number 4. GE Drip Coffee Maker with timer. Capacity, 3.1 pounds. Brand, GE. Special feature, programmable. Number 5. Calphalon 14 Cup Programmable Coffee Maker. Capacity, 14 cups. Brand, Calphalon. Special feature, programmable. Number 6. Hamilton Beach Programmable Coffee Maker, 12 cups. Capacity, 96 fluid ounces. Brand, Hamilton Beach. Special feature, programmable. Number 7. Programmable Coffee Maker with glass carafe, 12 cups. Capacity, 3.8 pounds. Brand, Bonson Kitchen. Special feature, timer, programmable. Number 8. 10 Cup Drip Coffee Maker, Brew Automatic Coffee Machine. Capacity, 10 cups. Color, black. Coffee Maker Type, Drip Coffee Machine. Number 9. Jevi 4 Cup Coffee Maker with Auto Shut Off, Small Drip Coffee Maker. Capacity, 600 milliliters. Brand, Jevi. Coffee Maker Type, Drip Coffee Machine. Number 10. Programmable Single Serve Coffee Makers. Capacity, 14 ounces. Color with Portable Travel Mug. Coffee Maker Type, Drip Coffee Machine. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.